a stranger less than pain. Then you were cold, triumphant in your mind of the logic that you hold. You said no one would ever know the love that we had shared. As I took my leave to go, it was clear you didn't care. Where are you now? Where are you now? Do you ever think of me in the quiet, in the crowd? And I hear ever you're coming and you're going in the town. I hear stories of your smile, I hear stories of your frown. And the darkness can be said, it can really show the pain. And you know that's what you love, 'cause you know I love the same. Where are you now? Where are you now? Do you ever think of me in the quiet, in the crowd? Where are you now? Where are you now? Do you ever think of me in the quiet, in the crowd?